Let's discuss one numerical problem on Lami's theorem just to get more clarity of the concept. Now the numerical says that a weight of 200 Newton is supported by two chains AC and BC, right? As shown in diagram, determine the tension in each row. Now the diagram says that uh, these are the two chains AC and BC, and a weight of 2000 Newton is supported by these two chains, and the angle between AC and the top, that is 30°. Same the angle between BC chain and the top means where the chains are being hanged, so that is 60°. Now AC chain, that will have a tension T1 in this, and BC, it will have a tension T2. Now we have to find out the value of these tensions T1 and T2. Now let's draw the free body diagram of this first. Now it says that if I draw the diagram of forces only, this is T2 tension, this is tension T1, and in this direction a weight is acting, that is 2000 Newton, right? Now the angle between these, if we find out the angle, if this is 30, this is 60, 60 plus 30, 90, so what will be this angle? That will be also 90. So in these two tensions, the angle is, let's say we give the name gamma just to represent in the sign this Lami's theorem, that is gamma is equal to 90. Now how to calculate this angle? Now we know that this angle is 60. Now if just to show you how I am calculating the angles, I'm telling you. Now to calculate the angles, I can say that this is given, this angle is 30, this 60, this 90. Now if this is 60, I draw one more line here just to tell you how I am calculating the angle. Now if this angle is 60, this angle will also be 60, just the alternate opposite angles. After that, if this is 60, it will be 90, as we have taken the x and y horizontal and vertical lines, so this will be 90. So what will be this angle? This will be 90 plus 60, 150. So we draw the same, this angle is 150, so we can take let's say alpha is 150°, right? In the same way we calculate this angle, and it will be again 30 plus 90, that is beta 120. Got this point? Now we will apply the Lami's theorem here. Now we say that let T1 and T2 are tension. Whenever we solve the numerical, we have to define the variables which we are taking just to apply the formula. Do not directly assume the names and start solving, because every person can assume in another way. So I have taken that T1 and T2 are the tensions in AC and BC, and W is the weight. Then apply Lami's theorem. Now if you remember what is Lami's theorem, that is the tension divided by the sine of opposite angle. I will write the Lami's theorem again. So Lami's theorem says that tension, or we can say the force, T1 upon sine alpha. I am writing it as per the given question. T1 upon sine alpha, opposite angle. This is the tension, so opposite angle alpha, sine of opposite angle, T1 upon sine alpha, that is equal to T2. Now can you tell T2, this is T2, opposite angle will be beta, means sine of beta, that is equal to T3, means this one, that is the weight. Actually we can say T3 or W. We have not taken T3, so we must write W, not T3, sorry. So W upon, that is the opposite angle, that is sine of gamma, right? So if we fill the values, we get T1 upon sine what, 150, that is equal to T2 upon sine 120, that is equal to, now we know the weight, that is 2000, so weight upon sine of 90, right? Now Here we can find out very easily the value of T1. First we equate T1 with this, then we equate T2 with this. So when we equate this with this one, so we will say T1 is equal to now 2000 into sine of 120 divided by sine 90. So after calculating I am getting it 1000 Newton. Similarly we can find out the T2. How can we find out T2? T2 is equal to, again we equate these two. T2 will be again 2000 into sine of 120 divided by sine 90. So that is equal to 1732 Newton. So these are the two forces which are asked to be calculated. T1 tension here and T2 tension in this. So in this way we can apply the Lamè's theorem. Thank you.